Quality Air Duct Cleaning Houston provides reliable dryer vent cleaning. Houston, Texas services for homeowners who want a cleaner and safer laundry area. Regular dryer vent cleaning can help remove lint buildup, improve airflow, and support more efficient dryer performance. Over time, clogged vents may cause longer drying times and unnecessary strain on your appliance. Professional cleaning helps keep the vent system clear and functioning properly. Quality Air Duct Cleaning Houston focuses on thorough service and practical solutions for local homes. If your dryer takes longer than usual to dry clothes, scheduling a professional inspection and cleaning may be a smart choice for your Houston home. Contact our Dryer Vent Cleaning Houston, Texas today for a free estimate. Are you looking for a dryer vent cleaning Houston, Texas? You can stop looking. You found Quality Air Duct Cleaning Houston. What is the typical cost for dryer vent cleaning? Most households pay an average of roughly $145 for professional dryer vent cleaning, which typically costs between $100 and $200. While complicated or difficult to reach systems can cost $300 or more, basic first floor or ground level wall vents can cost as low as $75. Who are the best dryer vent cleaners in Houston? According to reviews from 2026, the best dryer vent cleaning companies in Houston provide expert, frequently same-day services with excellent client satisfaction for both residential and commercial premises. How often should a dryer vent be cleaned? At least once a year, you should clean your dryer vent. You should clean it every 3 to 6 months if you have a large family, run back-to-back loads, have pets that shed hair and dander, or have an exceptionally lengthy vent pipe with several bends. Where's your service area for the Houston, Texas office? Our local dryer vent cleaning Houston, Texas service has helped clients in the surrounding areas of Houston, Hunters Creek Village, West University Place, Bellaire, Jersey Village, Aldine, Mount Houston, Galena Park, Jacinto City, Bunker Hill Village, Pasadena, Meadows Place, South Houston, Howellville, Mission Bend, Four Corners, Missouri City, 5th Street, and Clodine. Where is your dryer vent cleaning Houston, Texas located? We are located at 550 Post Oak Boulevard, 3rd floor, Suite 330. Houston, Texas 77027. Our phone number is 832-918-2555. https://qualityairductcleaninghouston.com/